Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Welcome to our channel. By the way guys, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Catursa, your licensed real estate broker. Before we continue, I will say Happy Father's Day to all.
Okay.
Or even if a lady or woman handling as father of their family, Happy Father's Day to you. So Happy Father's Day sa tanan nga naminaw o sa tanan nga nakakita ani nga video. So and happy Sunday. So now we are here at Barangay Kasati, Ubay, Bohol. This is for sale. 2.3 hectares rice field. So irrigated rice field along irrigated canal. So this is along irrigated canal, and some parts of this road are concrete road. So concrete to na, then very close from town proper. The price is 350 pesos per square meter. Owner is not around, living somewhere in Mindanao, now decided to sell their property. Tenanted, there is a tenant, but they have already an agreement. I just talked to the tenant. They are agree to sell the property provided that their agreement is to have their own home lot. Home lot kanang ilang puyanan, kitagaan sila sa owner guys. Owner gave a portion of their property, so the property included the road. So meaning maybe soon if we buy this property, we will I think we will ask the owner that not include the road, because wa man nilabot ang karsada,
Main canal.
oh, the main canal. Dako siyang nakuha guys, more or less mga naapod siguro nis mga let's say 1,000 square meters ka nakuha, kay taas man no. So there we go, the property. And the title is 2.3 hectares. But let's imagine that there is a portion that will be taken out. So very close from town proper. Then regarding the rice field guys, you can have your business in rice or rice milling. You can put your rice mill here or house, residential house. Then dili na pod ka kinahanglan nga mopalit kag bugas gikan sa mga kuan, kay kani manggong bugas guys, kini manggong rice labi na pinalit sa gawas, nagi mga prevention ana gipang bumbahan gyud mga pesticides no. So dili sad sa ingo makadaot no, totally kay wa mas ta mga daot. So mas nindot fresh nga rice ay mohang ma-provide no kung mopalit ka ani nga rice land. So mao ni siya guys. So niya kuyog na to ang farmer, my friend, he's living here also. He said that pila man ang makita na to Brad sa usa ka hektarya nga basakan irrigated. So mukita tag humay
More or less 160 sacks.
160 sacks per hectare. So kung kining
hybrid ang binhi.
Hybrid ang binhi. So pananglitan 160 sacks, pila may mahumo ana kanang gitawag kanang makuan ba kanang malnet bitaw kay kuan pamanis kanang pase kanang kuan.
100 kilos equivalent 70 kilos.
Mo na rate day guys. So 100 kilos. So meaning if you can have your 100 kilos on this rice land, kaya ba ang 100 kilos ani so sa harvest? Kaya ba ang kuan? So
ang 100 kilos sa tipase recovery 70 kilos sa bugas.
70 kilos.
100 kilos sa tipase. Ang recovery niya 70 kilos bugas na.
70 kilos bugas na. So mo ni ang istorya sa tong amigo nga farmer dere guys. So 170. So I will continue na lang no. So mo ni siya guys no. This is the boundary no. Ano siya no? Then this one no. Dako kayo ang kanal. So you can see the equipment that is what we call turtle. Not turtle nga, turtle guys. Mura siya turtle kay. Kuan na siya, mo ni mo cultivate no nga maingon ani ang iyahang kuan. Then the property, the boundary is the other rice kanang irrigated canal, small irrigated canal diha. Then here, no? So it's included on the other side po guys. It's a main canal, no? So this part, no, it's included. So mura siya natunga-tunga guys. Some portions of the other side is included yun, no?
Sa gitna ang kanal, sa middle side ang kanal, ang main road.
In the middle portion of the property is the main canal. So money nakanindot guys, no? If you have your own rice land. So 350 pesos per square meter negotiable. So negotiable pa. So akong gitotal guys, moabot ni mga 8 million. Pero nindot kayo ang location. Actually the pricing here is 1,500 pesos per square meter na gyud ang ilang mga yuta dire. So nakabarato ta, dako kay tag discount kay kuan pa man 350.
2.5 kilometers from proper of Ubay.
Oh, 2 kilometers, 2.5. So ini nga portion guys, this is not already a rice land, then you can convert this, is part of the property. You can convert this into commercial or residential. So you can put your rice mill or store any kinds of pwede ra ni. So as you can see, there is already a concrete road. So kini nga concrete road guys, apil na gini siya nga kuan. Mo continue ra ni siya kay nag-ongoing man ang concreting diri. So nindot jud kayo. So nindot kayo kung magbalay ka diri. Okay. So again, the property we are selling is 2.3 hectares, pero ato paningkuhaan sa mga karsada, ato pang ikuan ang taguya ni kay nakuhaan gyud karsada nya napay homelat sa mga tenant, no, duha ka buok. So these are the tenants. Okay, so as you can see, there are neighborhoods, no? So do all ra gyud guys, no? Ay. So again guys, no, the property we're selling is 2.3 hectares and soon to be can be deducted with a portion of the roads and the home lot of the tenant. Then the price is 350 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Located here in Barangay Kasati, Ubaybol, the northern part of Bohol province, which is around which is around kuan guys, 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Then Ubay is a progressive town with so many improvements. There is mall, McDonald's, there is an operated airport. Na airport nga wa pagi operate nya, maybe they can be operated soon kay naa na may mga project ang mga plano ang gobyerno. Then naay mga solar farm diri guys, improve na gyud ang Ubay. Then mga malls, there are 3 malls man po diri, daghan diri sa Ubay, mga like mall na gyud siya. So mo na, no, so many improvements. Mo na nga medyo may kamahalan na gyud ang mga presyuhan diri sa Ubay, mo na nakanindot sa diri. So this is really a good investment. Reason for selling, the owners, the main owner, no, ang ginikanan patay na, so mga anak na nagbaligya. So the children are selling this property and it's a title, no, let's say plain title. So man problema pwede ra man na, although we can have this, I know there's state taxes, no, so so pwede raman na to i-deduct kay dili man na. Pero regarding the final negotiation, let's maybe we say first the property visit, site inspection. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.